Jason.
Mafia Block, 2 ways. MPL, let's go. I don't ever bother you. I don't ever bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. I don't ever bother you. I don't ever bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. Hey, mommy, yeah. The way you put it on me, you dey make me regret now. Hey, mommy, yeah. The way you whine it on me, you dey make me regret now. Oh, yeah, put it on me, 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 oh, yeah, put it on me. Like Yaya, you should know I'm up to something. Give me your password, make a log in. Waiting day under me is a long thing. No, they do shakara, stop front, oh, yeah, drop it, shake it, put it on me. Forget the bills, everything is on me. Party all night, then we sleep all day. Light up the place like we make a Faraday. Oh yeah, back up. I don't wait for you since. Back up. You be number one for my list. Back up. Other guys they stand for a miss. Back up. Cause now you be the latest G's. Back up. I don't wait for you since. Back up. You be number one for my list. Back up. Other guys they stand for a miss. Back up. Cause now you be the latest G's. I don't bother you. I don't bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. I don't bother you. I don't bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. Hey, mommy, yeah. The way you put it on me, you dey make me regret now. Hey, mommy, yeah. The way you whine it on me, you dey make me regret now. Oh, yeah, put it on me, 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 oh, yeah, put it on me. I'ma put it on me, make you no mind the rest. I know how you feel, make we go into test. We go party all night till the morning comes, and when the morning comes, we go party on.
We made it, don't worry about the haters. I came here with real juice, don't worry about the fakers. Mr. DJ, put it on rewind, make you one, make them know say, it's them there for you, don't be like,
I don't bother you, I don't bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me, but you dey bumper me, my baby. I don't bother you.
This is After Effects. After Effects, just do simple logo animation. You can call it logo review, you can call it motion graphics. Your project is here. This is your screen. Your effect details will be here. All here, your timeline. New composition, new. Let's set it as what it is. If you see here, HD 1920 1080 25 fps. FPS means 25 frames per second. You don't need to do too much. Everything looks in order. 10-second timeline duration is okay. I'll do okay. I need to now look for that my logo. When I know where on I save on a logo, this is what I want to have. I want to have this guy on my After Effects, and I want the layers to come with it, as in 1 2 3 4. You can see I name the layers. Let's go to After Effects, go back to import file. Now when you select the file, read this window very carefully. You might have clicked on anything. Don't click too much. Don't select anything much. All you have here looking good. This footage, be careful, because you know the work you are bringing in as layers. You open it up and say composition, retain layer sizes. Choose that and you say import, and voila, your work is here. This is it. Open it up. If you check the layers you save on Illustrator, they are here. A, green, inner A, they will be there. You can do whatever you want, but not whatever. Here is where it gets tricky. You need to calm down here. Calm down. Just calm down. Make you relax. As I did mention them, always focus. Don't lose your focus. You don't need anything here now than this program. Forget Adobe Illustrator. You are gone past that one. You are here. embed your life here now. What we need to do is to expand this space for the logo to have, life. To expand it is not much. You can right click here, you see this, and go to composition settings. Or just click the three, some people call it sandwich, some people call it 3 lines. Here, click is the same thing. Composition setting. Open it up. You can see 2000 by 2000. All you need, you make it like 4K, 4000 by 4000. And you do OK. That way, you've expanded the space. Because I want this to breathe. I want it to have like a 3D effect. 3D effect, it will be coming in from the screen. All you need to do now is just click one of the layers, click Ctrl A on your keyboard. Check here. There's an icon here that looks like cube. Under it, it means you want to turn all the layers to 3D. Click there. Everything is in 3D. And while they are in 3D, you can open up this arrow. Open it up like that. Everything will... I'm working on all the layers at the same time because they are going to have the same movement, but they will come in one after the other. Watch. Open that, then open transform. Transform. Click on position. Click. That I'm starting an animation. Keyframe. That's on frame 1. I can now go to frame 10. No, let me go to frame 20. 20 frame. See the way I'm dragging. And how do I know I'm in 20 frame? Right here is a number. This application, let me say it again. You need to just pay attention. For this moment, don't look at your phone. Don't remember your girlfriend. Don't remember your boyfriend. Forget about yourself too. Just focus. As you're focusing, you will get it. Because once you get it once, you won't need to bother yourself again. And that is the beauty about computer. It's about copy and paste. If you can write a good program, well, you don't hit time. It's just to be modifying it. So I will click here now to create another keyframe somewhere here. Create, and I'm okay. All I need to do now, come back to the first one and drag here. Minus, bring it closer to the screen, and voila, they are off the screen. Like that. If you play, everything comes in at once. Good. Nice animation. But the best animation is this. What I need to do is to move each layer. Which one comes in first? Which one comes in second? Which one comes in third? As I have about 4 layers here, some of you have 2 layers. So really, people with 2 layers, you discover is your background that should come in first, then the letter. You've done the animation, oh. It's not to move the layers. Which one comes in first? Most of the time, we miss time. But see, there's no perfect timing. Just the normal saying. So if you want to do something, do it now. No perfect timing. So I'm going to say the background comes in first. A will come in last. So let me drag everything like this. This comes like that. That comes like that. This comes like this. And I will try to just count and make everything looks equal. So if I come into like frame 10, I will bring this guy in. How do I know this is frame 10? Is the number is here. 10. I'll go to frame 20 and bring this other one close to it. I'll go to frame 30 now. Now we are working, this is where it gets tricky. This thing is calculated in 25 frames per second. That one, I know it might scatter some people's brain. So after 10, you have 20. So to get 10 frames now, you might think it's 30. It's not 30. Oh. These people, you get as the reason. So if it's 25 frames per second, you need to look. So it's actually 10 frames. You go into 1 second here. That's 25. Plus 5. That's 105. Plus another 5. That's 110. Might not make sense, so, but that is where we will put it. So if you play now, you see the way everything plays. This is what I want us to achieve.
Mafia Block, 2 ways. MPL, let's go. I don't ever bother you. I don't bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. I don't bother you. I don't bother you, my baby. But you dey bumper me. But you dey bumper me, my baby. Hey, mommy, the way you put it on me, you dey make me regret now.